Hello everyone, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager June release. First, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable processing steps during subscription creation time. This feature is meant to add more flexibility to the template definition. You may have, let's say, a type of flow where some partners will send encrypted files and others will just send plain files. Encrypted files must be treated by a backend application. In this case, you can define a single template and then let the subscription specialist choose if the decryption must be done or not for a specific subscriber. For the demo, I already created a template called Invoices. And this is for receiving files via SFTP and routing to a backend application. As you can see in this template, I have a processing steps for PGP decryption. And since not all the partners will send encrypted files, I will keep this processing step to be configurable by the subscription specialist during the subscription creation. So I will click here to add it to the subscription level. And I will leave this enabled by default. Now I will publish the template and start subscribing. First I will subscribe partner 1. So for subscription 1, partner 1 will send encrypted files. So the decryption will occur. Next, I will go back to the template, and this time I will subscribe partner 2. And for this second subscription, I will click here to disable the decryption step. This means that the decryption will not occur for partner 2. So I defined one template for both subscriptions. Next. Containers are easier to download and deploy. In addition to the existing support site, Axway provides a repository where Flow Manager containers are stored. You can use this repository for downloading the latest releases of Flow Manager. This method better aligns with most companies' internet policies. You can check out the Flow Manager documentation. It will give you all the information on the new Axway repository and its usage for downloading containers. To access the Flow Manager documentation from the user interface, you can click this button here, View Documentation. And here in the installation guide, you can find all the steps you need for downloading and importing the image, as well as the link to the Axway repository. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next What's New demo.